Alright, what's up, folks? Carolina Cat Daddy. My videos might start looking a little different. That's because I'm changing the angle of my videos to give y'all a better fishing experience. We are fishing an unknown location today. Nah, I don't know. I don't know where we are. I can't figure it out. Can y'all figure it out? You got one little clue in the corner here. There's one little corner. Nah, we're sitting on some good fish. We got some fresh bait. We got the bait tank today. We actually quit being lazy. We brought the bait tank. We got live bait. Just marked some really good fish. I got to re-rig these two. I believe both these got to be re-rigged. And we're actually anchored on these fish badly. Maybe not. All right, y'all. You see that? We already got one. He ain't no baby. I ain't even got the daggum net out. This ain't no monster, but he ain't a bad fish. I don't think he knows he's hooked, and he feels like a flathead. He's bumping his head. So if he is in a good size, we're gonna get a good fight here in a minute when he comes up and sees old Cat Daddy. Yeah, I ain't been set up less than 5 minutes. I think he's got this other line. We got him out of it. Got us a flathead. Woo. He ain't no monster. There he goes. He wants to fight a little bit now. He ain't got enough shoulders for it. I don't have the net, so I'm gonna try and grip him. Hey, buddy. There you go. I still don't think we're positioned correctly on those fish I marked, because this definitely ain't one of the fish I marked, but this gives me some good confirmation that I'm looking in the right area. Thank you, buddy. Now we gotta get this hook out of here. There you go. Not bad for the first 5 minutes. There's some bigger fish over there, and this tells me is what I thought too. I thought there's flatheads over there. I think it's gonna be a great night of fishing, y'all. Oh, it ain't been but 2 minutes since I turned the camera off. He ain't no monster, but we got another one. I still ain't got the net out. This one's a blue. There you go. All right, y'all, number 2. All right, y'all, I literally just set the So let that fish go. Here we go. This one's got a little more weight than that last one. I need to get the net. We'll try and sneak it back and get this net. He ain't no monster, but he's got a little more weight, I think. There we go. Now we're cooking with grease. They put a little drag on me. He's definitely bigger. He's definitely bigger. Alright, y'all, if it keeps on like this, I'm gonna be war slam out. We've been here about 7 minutes. We already got 3 fish, probably total close to 30 pounds maybe. This is the biggest one so far, and he ain't no monster, but where's your homeboys at? They hungry, ain't they? They hungry, ain't they? I'm gonna let them go. Alright, y'all. Pretty good so far. I don't know how well y'all can hear me. I think y'all hear me pretty well when I put this case on. I don't think it's gonna rain long. Most of the storm's over there. It's got a little patch right here, so we're gonna wait it out and see what happens. Alright, y'all. Fish number 4. He's about the same size as the rest of them. I feel like when it gets dark, there's gonna be some bigger fish biting. Got us another flathead. Ooh, we got a little spot. I want your great grandpappy, man. I want your great grandpappy. Huh? Where you at? Where you at? I want your great grandpappy, man. You a pretty fish. He was a pretty one, bro. I love these flatheads, yo. I love these flatheads. Look how pretty that thing is. It's a pretty fish. Alright, we're gonna let him go. I think the rain's done. It's kind of sprinkling, so I'm probably gonna take that off here in a minute so y'all can hear and see better. There's a lot bigger fish right here, so we're gonna reposition. I wanna get these two. I wanna get these two rigged up. See what time it is. It's 7 o'clock. Probably go fish here for a while. I'm just gonna reposition maybe. Or I might go look for something else. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. This feels like a little better fish, y'all. I don't know. He's running in now. I don't know. Yeah, he's about the same size. We're about to change positions here in a minute. Those big fish are pretty much laid up, and I got a good feeling they're gonna be moving here soon, and I wanna be set up right when they start moving. There's much bigger fish over there than what I'm catching. I'm not even gonna throw this last one out. I'm gonna sit for about another 5 minutes and I'm gonna move. I'm gonna cruise back over there and see. They still laid up. We're gonna anchor on them again. I'm repositioned, and I got these throwed out. I got the two on the end straight down. I ain't been here 5 minutes, y'all. I had this one straight down, and this rod went to the water. I didn't quite get to it in time. Good fish. So we're gonna keep on. We're gonna keep on getting at it at this undisclosed location. There it is, right there. Fighting good, y'all. This feels like a flathead. This ain't the fish I'm looking for, but there is some good fish over here, y'all. Flathead. Got a little spunk in them. A little bigger than the last two. He's about the same size as that first one. Telling you, y'all, we're gonna get on a big one here in a minute. I can't get the rods in the water, y'all. I can't get them in the water. This one is definitely a bigger blue. That'll be the biggest fish we've caught tonight. Oh. Okay, he's fighting good now. Oh, y'all see that? We lost that one. Woo! Wearing them out. I'm telling you, I'm going to end up not having a rod in the water. Alright. Oh, we're wearing them out, y'all. Y'all seen that one go down? I ain't gonna have a rod. I got 3 rods left in the water right now. This is a little toad here. Alright, y'all, we ain't gonna weigh him. He's close to 30 probably, maybe 25, 30. We ain't gonna weigh him. We're gonna get him up and get him up out of here. Alright, y'all. If you look right here, this one that got took down is getting bit again. Y'all, usually I say I'm wearing the fish out, they wearing me out tonight. There you go, right there. That's the biggest of the night so far. That's close to 30, 25, 30 pounds. We're gonna let him go and try and get some rods in the water. If my light's in your eyes, I'm sorry. They kicking my butt, y'all. Alright, this one has a little fish on it. Hey, he's running in. Yeah. Look at this guy. Woo! Look at that guy. Holy smokes. The hook's bigger than him. Wow. Wow. Alright. We got 2 rods out of 6 left in the look, this one too. Look at this. We got 1 rod left. We got 1 rod left in the water. Woo. This one ain't no big guy, but y'all, I'm gonna have to go home early tonight. I ain't gonna have no bait lift. Hi y'all. I've done this striper fishing. All the rods be out like that. I don't think I've ever done this catfishing. Whew. We gotta totally regroup here. Look at all this. All right, y'all. I still ain't got the last rod out. And this is gonna be the biggest fish I've caught tonight. By the way he took off. He's running in now. He's gonna put up a good fight here at the boat. I guess. I don't know, he ran really hard. Yeah, this is a good one. It's gonna be a really good fish, y'all. Good blue, really good blue. Good fish, good fish, good fish. There we go, we got him. Woo, this is a toad, y'all. We got a toad, boy. Ah. Oh, shit. All right, y'all, he's 33. I thought he was gonna be bigger, but this sucker is stinking, bro. He's a stanky one, Bo. We're gonna let him go. Alright, there he is. Can't get no bigger flathead. That big fish kind of messed the leader up over here, so I ain't even had time to mess with it. Like, I ain't even sat down, y'all. If y'all look, my chair's still folded up. I haven't had time. I've sat on the side of this boat for maybe 5 minutes. That's it. They were wearing me out. Alright, y'all, you can see we got 2 rods. I just caught 2 fish back to back. The bite slowed down for about 30, 45 minutes since I caught any fish. I caught these 2 back to back, same size. I didn't get the first one. And I don't know what we're gonna do. We might I think those fish come up out the holes they was in, and they don't start moving around. So I'm gonna probably gonna cruise on out of here and see if we find another spot. We're in a new spot and I ain't been sitting there about 15 minutes and we got one. And he ain't no monster, but what we got here? We got us a little blue. We got us a little one. Alright, y'all. Marked some good fish in here. This ain't one of them. After that 34, we just can't get it. Dang, bro, you swallowed the hook. Dang, bro. Oh, man. We're gonna see if we can get this hook out this fish's throat. Alright, y'all. We caught 2 more fish in that last spot. That's all we caught. There was little ones. So we moved a good bit. We've been scanning for a long way. We got first place I've really marked really big fish in a while since I left way on from down there. So we set up on them. We've been cutting our bait in half. Now we're starting to use them as whole. About 2 in the morning. We'll see how it goes. If I catch a good fish here and get pumped up, I'll keep fishing. If I don't, I'll end up taking a nap. And really, I don't know what to do. You know, I've fished these areas before, and I haven't really been marking fish where I usually mark them. So they're moving around. So we're just gonna. These fish I marked are moving around. So hopefully we can just sit on these. And they're in this area, so hopefully, you know, we'll get lucky really, because after that fury we had earlier, we hadn't really been catching them. So, but I fish for big fish, so that's what I do. So we'll see what happens. Oh yeah, this fish hit hard as crap. I don't know. Yeah, like he ain't big at all. Man, you would not believe how hard this fish hit. That's crazy. That's crazy how hard this fish hit. Thought I had a monster, y'all. Good grief. He ain't big. I don't know. You know, I caught so many fish earlier. I've been checking these leaders and changing leaders. Yeah, it's frayed right there. When he took off super hard, and I bet what he did was he hit a stump or something, 'cause that's why it went. I mean, this rod, it was crazy how this rod went, and then he pulled drag. So I think he hit a stump. There's a bunch of stumps behind me. That's what it looks like. It's frayed right there. So he's running around with a 4-ounce sinker on his mouth. I'm probably about to take a nap, y'all. I'm wore out. The fish wore me out earlier. I caught another fish. I didn't turn the camera on. I'm burned through one battery, so I'm trying to preserve this battery. They are just tearing me apart. This reel, the pawl quit working. I just cleaned that reel too, but that's usually when something goes wrong, like the pawl or something. Once you clean them up, if that paw's wore out, that's when it's gonna start messing up. But so that one's down. That one just broke off. I just had to retie this one. And that one is the one I just caught the other fish on. Yeah, I'm all up in stumps. I just felt better. That's the thing, until you're fishing with stumps, you're gonna have to retie and, you know, whatever. It is what it is. I'm not fooling with that one. I'm gonna run these 3 and I'm gonna take a nap. I'm wore out. These fish kicking my butt. I'm anxious to get home and count how many fish I caught, because I couldn't tell you. I'd say it's close to 20, but I don't know. We'll see. All right, y'all. We're gonna call it. Had a great night. I gotta, be an adult and go do some work. And me and Tyler, we're gonna come out. Today is Wednesday or Thursday? I don't even know. I think today is Wednesday. Let me look. I don't know. Friday, we're going up river and fishing a tournament, and we'll see how that goes. That's Tyler's area there, so he'll have to handle all that. I don't really fish much up north on the Catawba River. That's his deal. So I'll actually throw up a link. Me and Tyler's fished up there once together, and I'll throw the link up. We did pretty good up there, so we're gonna give it a good shot and see what happens. Them boys can fish, so we'll have some good competition. But had a blessed trip. Y'all have a blessed day. And if you're new to the channel, like, subscribe. The channel's growing. I'm gonna throw some videos up here at the end. Check them out, and we'll see y'all on the next one.